Hi, welcome to Henrico's Career Rodeo Skills Challenge. I'm Beverly Koch. As you can see, we are busy setting up for our 500 seniors that will be coming in to showcase the skills that they have learned in their program over the 1 or 2 year course in front of business partners who will be coming in.
I think from a business owner standpoint, the rodeo gives us a chance to go out, represent our businesses, introduce ourselves to these students, and more importantly, it gives them a chance to show off a little bit. They have some skills they want us to see. This is different than sitting at a table and interviewing a young man or a young woman. Now we can actually see them do their thing. And over the years, it's become one of my favorite events.
The biggest thing in the auto body industry is right now the average age of our technicians, of our most experienced technicians, is about 60 years old. You know, I'm looking for guys with good attitude, good proactivity, good work ethic, and good punctuality. All that stuff's important to me.
We have 98 different businesses represented today. Some of them are bringing 10 people because they need to look at several of our programs. 34 different programs from our ACE centers, our advanced career education centers, will be represented today.
Well, I've been obsessed with firefighting since I was little, and I took EMT last year at the ACE center, so when I found out that they were doing a firefighting program, I was like, let's do it. So I've actually enlisted in the Marines as a crash and rescue firefighter.
I feel like at a high school age, it gives them like the opportunity to see us really like work and how professional we are and how good we are at our job, even at a young age. And I guess it just gets us out there more and like lets them see what we really have to offer.
And as the businesses take a look at our students and they have rodeo contestant numbers, they will then go to a station on their way out where they can actually pick up resumes digitally or in hand.
Bringing the industry in to see all the skills that the students are acquiring. Not only are they acquiring these skills, these kids are obtaining certifications in order to be prepared for the workforce, to say that I am credentially qualified.
Well, they're showing their abilities in problem solving, how to figure out how to get something put together from a drawing. And also with all these people out here around them, it's kind of like being in a fishbowl. So if you can operate out here, you can probably work on a job site.
So this is a fun day that actually starts that process to make our students life ready and successful after graduation.